How to activate Capital One credit card online. If you've recently received your Capital One credit card and need help activating it, you're in the right place. In this video, we're going to walk you through how to activate your Capital One credit card online. Let's get started. Before you begin, make sure you have your Capital One credit card in hand along with any instructions that came in the mail. You'll need your card number and you may need to enter some personal information, so have that ready. The first step is to open your preferred web browser and go to the Capital One website by typing www.capitalone.com. Once you're on the home page, you'll need to sign into your Capital One account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one by clicking on the sign up button or create account button. Simply enter your username and password and simply sign in. Once you're logged in, go to the account sections or the help menu. You should see an option that says activate credit card. Click on that option. Now you may be prompted to enter your credit card number, the last four digits of your social security number, and possibly your date of birth. These details are needed to verify your identity. Next, you'll be asked to set up your account security. You may be required to create a username and password or set up your security questions. After entering your details, you'll be asked to review your information. Once everything looks good, go ahead and click on the activate button. And that's it, folks. Your Capital One credit card is now activated and ready to go.